website, head over to the volunteering tab and select Sign up to volunteer. Here is a list of the volunteering projects Undeb have to offer. Once you have selected the project you wish to join, press Apply for this opportunity. If you have not registered for the volunteering platform, a box will appear asking you to register. Fill out this online form with all your information. Once that has been done, head back to the volunteering tab and select Sign up to volunteer. Select the project you wish to join and press Apply.